Clickly Review. This AI builds viral YouTube thumbnails in seconds. In this Clickly Review video, I want to start with something a little counterintuitive. If your videos aren't getting clicks, it's probably not your content, it's your thumbnail. And that's exactly why tools like Clickly are getting so much attention right now. Clickly is an AI-powered thumbnail creation platform designed specifically for YouTubers, marketers, and creators who want higher click-through rates without spending hours in Photoshop or hiring designers. Here's the big promise. Clickly uses AI to generate high-converting, viral-style thumbnails in seconds, based on proven visual patterns that already work on YouTube. No design skill. No guessing colors or fonts. No endless revisions. You simply choose your style, input your title or idea, and Clickly's AI does the heavy lifting. What makes this interesting for business owners and creators is speed and consistency. If you're running multiple channels, posting frequently, or testing different video angles, thumbnails can become a serious bottleneck. Clickly removes that friction by letting you produce scroll-stopping thumbnails fast, so you can focus on content and growth instead of design stress. This is especially useful for FADA YouTubers who want higher country non-affiliate marketers, testing multiple offers, either coaches and course creators, growing personal brands, either agencies, managing thumbnails for clients. Another key benefit is optimization. Clickly isn't just making thumbnails that look good. It's designed to create thumbnails that trigger curiosity, emotion, and clicks, which is what actually drives views. In a moment, I'll be playing the official Clickly Vendor Explainer demo video, so you can see exactly how the platform works, what the dashboard looks like, and how fast thumbnails are generated. While you're watching that demo, pay attention to how simple the workflow is, and imagine how much time that could save you every week. Now, I'm not here to tell you whether Clickly is perfect or not. Instead, I want to hear your thoughts. After watching the demo, drop a comment below and tell me, do you think AI-generated thumbnails like this can actually outperform human design ones or not? Also, if you want to check out Clickly for yourself, you'll find the product link right below this video. That's where you can see full details, features, and any current deals available. So watch the demo, think about how this could fit into your workflow, and let me know your honest opinion in the comments. Let's roll the Clickly demo.
Hi, I'm Josh, one of the co-creators of Clickly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make amazing thumbnails for your videos. So what you can do is go over to Magic Thumbnails, and all you do is simply click on Create New and add your YouTube link, and I'll go into a project just to show you some examples what you can create. So you can create amazing thumbnails just like this within 60 seconds. It all gets generated for you with our powerful AI that we've built into Clickly. All right, so how it works is if you click on Create New, click on either YouTube or add a transcript. I'm just going to paste in a YouTube video. This one's about FIFA. And click on Analyze and Edit Video. And you can choose whether you want a vertical or a standard 16:9 thumbnail. And you can then go ahead and select a preset that you want to create your thumbnail around. I'm going to go with, let's go with a mystery object for this one. I can go ahead and create a face clone. So we'll go faceless. I'm going to create a new face clone, and I'm going to get just a picture that I got from Pixels of a guy. So you just need one picture of yourself, and then I'm going to call this one dude, and let's click on create. All right, so now I've got my clone selected. I can choose how many thumbnails I want to create. I've gone with mystery object for this one, and I'm going to click on here to make some magic. All right, so it's going to basically analyze the content in the video, and then create a really nice design for the video that you've got. And while it's doing that, I'm going to show you a couple of other features we've got. So we've also got a AI face clone option. So you can go ahead and choose a face clone. For example, I've got this one of my son over here, and you can generate images of yourself in different situations and different expressions. And then what you can do is also remove the background and then drop it into one of your templates. So we've also got a massive library of thousands of Canva templates, and these are all being built off of winning thumbnail designs with over 100,000 views on YouTube. And so what you'll be able to do is, for example, select a design that you like. You can click on Edit Design, and it's going to open up the design inside of Canva. And all you need is a free Canva account, and you can go ahead and start customizing the design. So you could drag and drop your own picture of yourself into here and adjust it. We've also got a whole bunch of useful resources as well in there as well. All right, so as you can see, amazing thumbnails over here. And what we can do is go back over to Magic Thumbnail, and you can see how powerful this is, and how it generated this amazing thumbnail for a video on FIFA with the mystery object. And we've also got this one over here as well. So you can select different types of presets, or you can just simply choose a reference. So if you like a thumbnail from one of your favorite YouTube creators, just paste in the link to that video, and it will basically select it as a preset, so that you can generate a similar looking thumbnail for your own video. So that's Clickly for you. Make sure to go check it out. You can get started for free at clicklyapp.com.